Boy, give us
We will the excess squad going to the beach today.
Yeah.
See the Parkland boys. We are on our way. Very, very much early today.
Jollof boys.
Jollof boys.
What?
Yeah, the boys. We stay in Lagos. But yeah, Caesar will cut that. We're on the way now to the beach. Catch us soon. Yeah, guys, it's busy today.
We ran from the other side. Now the other side is still the fucking same. I don't know.
It's all about traffic today. Everyone is trying to go to the beach.
So I don't know if that's gonna...
They heard that the excess squad is coming to the beach near them. Now they are rushing. Everyone is busy here. Hey.
We are the main attraction.
Yeah.
Bitch in front of me.
Almost there, guys.
Yo, it says if that race is breaking the shit out of everyone here.
You can see it's an old car. He hasn't serviced this car for 2 years like THANOS. You see, he's going. He left. The pressure is too much.
He gave up.
Yeah, you know when there's cars behind you, Chief, you are seeing with you're holding them back.
Look at all of the distance I'm carrying in my car just to go to the beach. Yes, I've got some beach tents here and some soccer ball. This is a big gazebo. It goes even up to the sitting side there. This thing doesn't want to focus, but you can see it there. It's what we were fetching in the previous vlog. I don't know if I posted the previous vlog. And here, we've got weird stuff. You're going to see all of this in the beach. So now, okay, it closes. I'm going to go and fetch manager. Manager did something to his car, so I'm picking him up. But I'm first going to go to the shop and buy some things that we'll need and stuff like that. So, let's go. He can't. Same. Manager, uhamba ngosinqanda amathafa manje. Iphi movata takho? Iphi? Ayikho. Yeah, exactly.
That's why he dressed like this, because he knew about that Corona sunset thing.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, why do you
The
think
drip
the guy
check.
dressed like this?
Is it?
Like, they're not going to want to do it, It's $350 to go in.
Yo?
I knew they should have unless it was free. Imagine.
Chief. Chief, it's not that type of day, Chief.
You will
Got too many responsibilities. We have arrived, waiting for the latecomers.
The latecomers will be
BUMA and manager.
Black time. Simple as
As
that.
you can see, everyone is rocking their shorts. The toes are out. Except this guy. He's talking about going to the beach, but he's wearing tekis. To the beach. Chief. You can see everyone else has the feet out or the toes out.
Hey, I can put my shit down now.
You've got... Chief. You don't have to look cool for the beach.
These guys were last seen 6 minutes ago in Checkers Grove Street.
That means they are coming.
We were supposed to be at the beach around 12. This guy right here, look at what he's wearing. A jean and sneakers. And look at what I'm wearing, a shirt and shorts. We are going to the beach that time. THANOS is pissed. He's waiting for us. And yeah, we are still here. He's already at the beach. They must wait. We don't have time for sports.
Actually, this guy said, yo, except for it's Saturday, man. Can we just enjoy the view? Can we enjoy the
Except guys, we are still stuck in traffic.
P-Roy.
It's
Puma's giving an update.
It's 9 o'clock. 9 past 2 now. We were supposed to be at the beach 12 o'clock. THANOS is fuming. We have the gazebo and everything in the car, so they are waiting for us. Manager still is wearing a jean here. I don't know what's happening today. It's chalked. But luckily the sunset here is around 7, 8, 9. So we don't have to worry about
we don't need to worry about
So
sunset.
we are good. We'll still get to see nice things there.
Except P-Roy, let me answer. Fucking rubbishes. Move out of the way. Where's the parking?
Yes, there goes the neighborhood.
They're wanting to take a nap, they're wanting to enjoy the sun, and all this guy comes in.
Now you'll hear kids.
Guys, there's the squad. They are pissed.
THANOS is wearing pink.
Fucking rubbish. Where's the parking? Where's the parking?
Wow, my man.
My car.
Sunshine,
Yeah.
Can you please DM right now?
Look at this guy now.
Yeah.
See, this is what we call getting dressed for the beach outside.
Please, you catching catchy.
Everyone is angry. Look at this one. Okay.
Artist, we need to hide up Joanna. Okay, let's do it now. Let's do it now. Whose what is this? It's fine, I'll take it out.
Just the check eye.
We're out here. Ew.
Artist is left behind.
But we're out here at the beach now. We are setting up the gazebo and everything. We have a TikTok live here. The people in the live are getting irritated because manager is gone. But yeah, we are still live. And then we have to set up this thing quick now. Look at this. But see, when the water is so blue, there's the water, there is blue. We're about to chill here. Let's go. Since manager didn't shower, this is him now taking a shower in the...
The proper shower.
It's now wet, you see.
The water took out the tank.
See now,
Proper shower.
salty there.
Wrong direction.
What do you mean?
It must be this way. Yeah, you see, I'm the project manager here. All right, gents. It's time to swap it around.
If any of you
Nah.
guys have a funeral to attend and you need a tent, call us. You know, the Access Squad. We replace Afbob and Old Mutual and all those tents. We'll do it for you, half price.
Danko. Pato izinto zonke. That's the manager. Management has spoken.
THANOS. I'm fat. I win. I win. I win. I'm than you.
I didn't see.
I'm
I'll
faster.
check the footage.
I'm faster than you, Boom.
Excess squad.
They are.
9.58.
They are.
You didn't even finish the race.
Who didn't finish?
You.
Me. I got to the line.
Injury.
Hey. What's up, boy?
What happened to you, man?
I hit a rock, man.
Oh, guys, you see that now?
I hit a rock. But I removed it for everyone else. I put it behind the buildings.
Okay.
But I just want to wash it now.
Yeah. So you must go deep in there, right?
Okay. Just my food. Why?
No. Keep it in the water. Not the sand, bro. You're going to infect your toe. Get some more water in there.
This is gonna disinfect it.
Okay, now give me sexy guy on the beach there. Yeah. Come on, Pella. Hey. Yeah. Are you right now?
It's cold.
You're all right.
It's very much.
So now probably it is 100% because
Okay, we have finished. The sun is setting. It's now 1943. You see what time it is now? 1943. The sun is still there. That's the beauty of Cape Town. Manager here is pissed off. I won't mention why. He's trying something, but it's not trying. Eh? But yeah, we are about to move now. Look at this. What is this?
I'm injured.
He was racing, but you've already seen from the video, so you already know that you know. So we are packing our final stuff, and then we are going now. Let's go. Way up.
I wanna see you and Shannon go to the beach one day.
We're gonna cross. And I want to be like a spy.
No, I want
Don't.
to do a video now. Excess squad goes out with the family.
Except you've got Jesus shoes, Joe.
What do you mean Jesus shoes?
No.
The family too. What family?
How
What
is this now
family?
Jesus shoes, man?
Those timbatata led how?
No.
Jesus shoes.
They're in.
I don't care whether they're in or not. I'm not saying but they're Jesus shoes.
Even these ones are called Jesus.
Exactly.
Where I come from. But now they are back, chief in fashion.
What is
These ones called
It's flops.
Both of them are back in fashion.
Yeah.
But these are Jesus shoes. Just.
And there's nothing wrong with that.
There's nothing. No, they back in fashion. 5 years ago, you couldn't rock those.
Yeah, we're going to laugh at you. But except guys, the founding member of the Excess Squad was here today. He graced us with his present, which is something great.
Guys, we won't see you
And
again
you
for
can
6
see now it's already 8. He has to go home and make sure the situation is good. Exactly.
In
He's
case you
the
guys are wondering why we are not married, this is why.
I work hard, gents. That's why.
exact.
Yeah.
Man is
It's
peace.
not marriage, it's work.
And I love the streets, no? That's why.
Say, just get him to his quantum day. He needs to do his night shift now.
Alright, but Chase, don't be blocked by us, man. If you have to go, you have to go. I understand.
Yeah, if you have to go.
Okay, I knew it.
You have to take out. Same here, Chief. But
There's some
hey,
dirty houses there, so they sleep underneath there.
hey.
For the guys about having protection when going into the car. I'm like, what the hell?
I can hook you guys up with the Glock, eh?
Hey, we don't carry guns. Who shares?
It's not a chair, no.
There's no one here.
It's not a chair, Chief. It's not a chair. meneer, de kak van Brabant.
Exact.
Show! Uba naman siya. Chet, Thanos.
Thanos.
Ay, never.
Yeah, woman.
Thanos!
Show!
Never.
Hey, we are blocking people.